Everything that you see, from the dust in your room to the stars that you see with your naked eye or with a telescope, are all part of a very vast, complex, and mysterious universe that scientists hope to understand. One of the greatest mysteries of the universe is its origin, since no one of us has been witness the actual beginning of the universe. Scientists can only reconstruct the event based on the evidence that are available. Thus, many theories have been proposed, but the most accepted of them all is the Big Bang Theory.
The Big Bang Theory. The Big Bang is the event about 13.7 billion years ago when time, space, matter, and energy came into existence. This event started from a hot, dense state that has undergone inflation, a short but rapid expansion, to become the universe that is known today. The idea of Big Bang started in 1927 when Georges Lemaitre deduced that if Einstein's general theory of relativity was true, the universe must have been expanding. Who is Georges Lemaitre? Georges Lemaitre was a Belgian cosmologist and a Catholic priest who first formulated the idea of an expanding universe and called it hypothesis of the primeval atom or the cosmic egg. Not many scientists took notice of Lemaitre's work, so when Edwin Hubble discovered that the galaxies are moving away from each other at high speeds, Lemaitre used Hubble's discovery to support his theory. And from the discovery of the expanding universe, he hypothesized that there was once a primordial atom that contained everything in the universe. George Gamow studied the chemical elements in the universe supported the Big Bang theory. He hypothesized that the Big Bang procedure, helium, and the other heavier elements. He also predicted the existence of cosmic microwave background radiation, or CMBR, the afterglow of the Big Bang that cooled after billions of years, which was proven upon its accidental discovery by Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson. The Big Bang is characterized by several major events depending on what was formed at the time. From the time the Big Bang happened, it was only after 10 to the negative 38 seconds that a strong force between distinct and inflation occurred. Until 10 to the negative 10 seconds, elementary particles were forming and electromagnetic and weak forces became distinct. The time from 10 to the negative 38 seconds to 10 to the negative 10 seconds was known as the electroweak era. This was followed by the particle era, a particle era period characterized by the existence of both matter and antimatter from 10 to the negative 10 seconds to 0.001 seconds. The era of nucleosynthesis, which was followed for the next 3 minutes, is where protons, neutrons, electrons, and neutrinos dominated and antimatter became distinct. At this period, the universe was said to be composed only of hydrogen and helium, which lasted for about 500,000 years. This was known as the era of nuclei. This was followed by the era of atoms, where atoms were formed and photons were released, forming the microwave background. It was only after 1 billion years since the Big Bang that the first galaxy was formed, and thus came the era of galaxies.